nothing to strip.
If it wasn't for a wrist, I'd have nothing to slip. If it wasn't for the shrooms, I'd have nothing to chew.
Yo, I'm just fucking with you, cause I got nothing to do.
I came in the diner with skateboarders, placed orders, ate hors d'oeuvres, and hit the waiter with plate warmers. Let you inhale the Glock smell while I'm ripping your wallet off and slipping them.
Hey guys, what is that? Sick BMX said it. 1, 2, 3. Hope you like my new intro. Pretty sick, I think. So yeah, custom ride bike. So I'm running the ODI long necks, both sides in black. Pretty nice and sturdy. Tektro brake system right through still. Might be changing that up soon. Savage bars in shiny red, they look so nice. Then next is the Savage stem. Go with the bars, same mate guys. Just check there's no play in my headset. Good. Oh, better check. No play, good, that's good. We don't like any play guys, because that would just fuck us up. Next Savage stem. Blank headset right through. It's an alright headset, sometimes it's fucked up, but it's really nice. Next is the forks. 2012 diamondback grind forks. 2012 diamondback frame. Next. Front pegs are the front pegs are pretty decent. They're rooster pegs. Front rim is pretty sturdy. Have had it buckled a few times, so I like to check that sometimes. That's a Trax tyre on there. The rims are just standard spokes. They're pretty shit actually. I wouldn't buy them myself, but I bought them anyway. Moving on. The same on the back, but on the back I've got a diamondback tyre, pretty sturdy too. Next is the cranks. The cranks, this is always this hard bit to get. Right, these cranks are pretty sturdy actually. They're diamondback 2012 cranks. Pedals are Outland, bought them when I bought my bike actually. So that's pretty sick. Then the pegs on the back are Create pegs. Then the chainring. My chainring is a 30 something. It's quite a big one actually. I don't like it. Through like 13 on the back or something. But then nice chain on there actually. Not half link, but still nice. So and my outland are my hubs. But it's a pretty nice bike. Quite light actually now. I'm just thinking I've done it all. Pretty sick. Now as for Christmas I'm getting a Harrow 350.1, go check it out. I'll try and leave I might be able to leave the link in the description. But yeah, it's pretty nice bike, but I've got a nicer one coming. I'm riding that one to school, so yeah, it's pretty sick. Hardly ever use this one now. So as usual guys, really helps. Just comment, rate, like, subscribe. Hope you like my intro. See you later.
What?
The bad, the evil, the bad, the evil.
Yo, if it wasn't for your whip, I'd have nothing to strip.
If it wasn't for a wrist, I'd have nothing to slip. If it wasn't for the shrooms, I'd have nothing to chew.
Yo, I'm just fucking with you, cause I got nothing to do.
I came in the diner with skateboarders, placed orders, ate hors d'oeuvres, and hit the waiter with plate warmers. Let you inhale the Glock smell while I'm ripping your wallet off.